Built-in bras don't work.
Huh?
Built-in bras don't work.
Sure, yuck it out.
Dad, we're saying the word bra in here.
Bra.
We're talking about bras.
Oh.
Because that's what cool people do.
We gotta go to the bank in a couple. We gotta go to the bank a couple minutes. You going?
Yeah.
At the side door?
Yeah, Mom's out there.
Oh, son of
What?
I don't know.
Am I shining?
You're yellow on the camera.
Oh, some glitter.
Susie, see? Yellow.
Okay.
She's got glitter all over. You're not allowed to hug us now because you're covered in glitter. I'm still finding glitter from when Alex hugged me after Runfest.
I tried saying.
Evie can't words.
I tried saying pumpkin cupcake and I said pumpkin pupcake.
Cupcake. That's what you used to say when you were little. Pupcake. That's cute for Halloween.
But you're smelling stuff. That's why I changed.
Yes, I'm smelling. Trying to smell stuff.
They have all the Halloween scents in.
Blood.
That's the one we just smelled. It smells like a hospital. Alex, look. Oh, that's cherry blossom.
If I had known I have some at the house. So next year, guess what?
Your shampoo's gonna be cherry blossom. Guys, Bath & Body Works has all of their pumpkin stuff out for Halloween now, so you should definitely go check it out. It's all up there on a table. And all that throat, and that like pumpkin and all that stuff, but they have a lot of apple stuff too, so spice things. Evie's just, stop it, you're gonna get glitter up your nose. She's inhaling glitter. Just sneeze and glitter shoot out. Guys, I need them. I need $10. I need $10. Someone get them for me so I can be a monster grabber. Guys, guess what? We're in FYE and ran into a kid, one of the workers here. He went to my design class a few years back in Delta. It was kind of funny. I was just like, you look like a kid that was in my design class in Delta. And he's like, I was a kid in your design class. That's kind of funny. He's the store manager down here now, so it's like, oh, if we had ended up staying down here, totally could have gotten a job here. Ew, guys, it got very human outside. See? Look, guys, Dad got them for me. Look, guys, it's a very grumpy Evie. Never mind.
Oh, good. Now it is
From this
Halloween.
angle, I can't see Dad's mouth. There's just a Pepsi can and then the top of his nose and his eyes. So you're like, what's his name, Wilson? There. It's just a Pepsi glass with eyes.
Just like that.
Isn't that what Wilson used to do in Home Improvement?
Like that.
Well, it's Halloween.
Yes.
Should we get a witch's broom, put it away for Christmas? Leave it hanging in your mom's closet so it don't open until Christmas?
She needs a new one? Hers broke, huh?
Or get up flying around.
Have the big old sugar. Let's watch the lid come off.
You just pour the tea in the sugar bowl.
Well, I don't have a spoon to.
It's,
Finish your sentence.
I'll never have any.
What do you call us?
Mistakes?
No.
No, no.
Blessings.
We're adopted.
You're
Cabbage
blessing.
Patch.
Here you go, Daddy. Here's your little diaper.
I need one bigger than that.
That might fit his nose.
They drop their dentures.
Look guys, I got a chicken wrap. Evie got nuggets and Dad's got lamb meat over there. Mom's got a BLT?
It's a club.
Club. Looks like a giant pancake.
It does.
I got pita bread too. See? See? Pita bread. Hey guys. It's not too late, but I'm gonna end the vlog for tonight. I'm gonna probably lay down and I don't know. So I hope you all have a wonderful night, / morning, / whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you all in the morning. Good night.
All my life, I've been waiting for you. All my life, I didn't know what to do. Now it's right, I've got you, it's clear. All my life, I've got you to be here. Like the light across the ocean waves, by your side I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.